Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit your domain name in Wix. So for example, I want to edit this domain name. Just going to click on it. I'm going to wait for it to load. Oh, whoops. Select and edit. Press that instead. Don't press the website. It'll redirect you onto the website. But once you're on the dashboard of the website you want to edit to, just scroll down onto settings. On settings, just scroll down again. And then press on website settings, manage your site's name, URL, fav icon, and more. Just click on that. Now scroll down, and this is the URL or the domain, and just edit it to whatever you'd like. So I'm just going to edit to cool domain. I'm going to save. Wait for it to load. And now your URL or your domain is now edited and it's whatever you rename it onto.